Hey, what's going on? Line of all trades here, back with another video. Here to give a short and sweet quickie on crude oil. Here, we're looking at crude on the hourly chart, and we've had some crazy action since I guess you want to say since the 2nd of January, 2024, and just huge swings overall. Uh, just seeing crude oil and what's going on in the other aspects and other areas of whether the tensions are getting worse in the Middle East and in the Red Sea, specifically the Suez Canal. I'm sure you heard of it and what's happening over there. Maybe supply is being affected, and prices are bound to increase. I mean, that's pretty much my guess. I'm pretty sure there's more to it than that. So that's why, we all got to do our DD research. So, with that being said, here, just give a quick hypothetical technical analysis on crude. We can see here um, we do have some type of a inverse head and shoulders pattern playing out here, and we are completing that because now we see that the 50-day simple moving average is curling right back up, as well as the 8-day EMA moving average exponential retesting here at the, how do you call it, the 200-day simple moving average. So once this breaks over, then we will see crude oil, as you can see it moving right now in real time as I'm making this video, that we can be able to retest the area here at 73.50 to 74. Um, this could maybe pop a bit more as we're sleeping in our beds before market open, and who knows, maybe something happens within that time frame. Something, um, a catalyst, you might say, that will push this a lot further up into the last resistance here, which is at 75, 76 bucks per barrel. So if that's the case, then we should really look closely at the oil stocks. As mentioned before, since I've always been going over this stock because it's really intrigued me. It's uh, it's something that I've been going over for about a month and a half. So you can see this was Impp, Imperial Petroleum, and we had a low here back in November 21st of last year at 144. And ever since we had this little cross right over here that indicated that we were going to the upside. And the 50-day, which is in the blue, has stayed consistent and stayed strong while the stock had been trading above it. You see the 8-day right here trying to make a cross below the 50-day, but ended up bouncing, try to retest again, made it under, but then made it right above back over the 50-day. And now, um, yeah, sorry for the ugly drawing, but just to show you and to make a point here that we are indeed now back at the trend, still above the 200, still above the 50, and now we see if we're gonna actually retest $3 once again, as we already did twice here. Um, Once here yesterday at 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and again today at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, which is pretty interesting because we hit the resistance here, come back down, then the next afternoon comes right back up again, and then it's coming to um, a close here at 289. So even though it did close on the green at 2.48%, um, this is still looking pretty optimistic and bullish, strictly in my opinion. And we could see a potential break over $3 if it continues that way. And if we see what's happening with Chevron, which I don't really usually go over, but just to quickly see how oil correlates with these stocks. Of course, crude oil energy sector, all move, they all follow um, the price action of crude oil. So this is pretty much what happened. So had the huge sell off in the opening, and that was when crude was at 73.50, 73.40, then sold all the way back down to like, sheesh. I mean, let me see. We go back and check. We'll just take this for example. We're in the hourly. Yeah, so here was at 73.43, dropped all the way down to 7105, 7103, and then he had the huge pop right back. I mean, it didn't really quite follow it to the T like that, but it's influenced. And if we are actually seeing crude now popping back over, pretty much gained back everything that it lost, and holding at this level to break up a lot more, then you know that this will do the same, and then we would retest around 151.60, when pretty much 152 would be the level of resistance to break. So we would have to just put that sucker right there, and then see if we can actually break it over, just break through that wall, and make a comeback. And of course, if it was bearish, then we would have to retest these levels at 148.80, $149 a share, and you get the idea. The same thing goes for ExxonMobil, same thing. And that's pretty much it for crude oil. Just to give you that little overview, and we'll see what happens within the next 24 hours as we get into the last day of the market, Friday, January 5th, and let's get things popping. Um, and That's it for the video. So again, anything that I say here is just strictly my opinion. This was not financial advice. Um, this, um, yeah, that's it. So I'll see you in the next video. This line of all trades. Yeah, stay safe out there. Play safe. Be responsible, and give yourself the time that you need, especially in these times of economic upheavals and turmoil. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. Yeah, take it easy. Peace out.